Starting an e-commerce business in 2023 is both exciting and challenging. With the ever-evolving digital landscape, there are more opportunities than ever for entrepreneurs to launch successful e-commerce businesses. However, it's important to be prepared before taking the plunge. Here are 10 tips for launching a successful e-commerce business in 2023. Conduct market research, understand your target market and competition to tailor your offerings and marketing strategy. Choose the right platform. Select a reliable and scalable e-commerce platform that meets your needs and integrates with your existing systems. Establish a strong brand. Create a unique brand identity and story to differentiate yourself and build customer loyalty. Optimize your website. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and provides a seamless shopping experience. Offer competitive pricing. Price your products competitively and offer promotions and discounts to attract customers. Implement secure payment options. Provide multiple payment options and ensure that your website is secure to protect customers' personal and financial information. Use high-quality product images and descriptions. Showcase your products with clear and attractive images and descriptive text to help customers make informed decisions. Invest in marketing. Utilize various marketing channels, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media, and email marketing, to reach and engage with your target audience. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve any issues effectively to maintain a positive reputation and customer loyalty. Continuously improve and innovate. Regularly review your performance, gather customer feedback, and experiment with new products and marketing strategies to stay ahead of the competition.